Welcome back, SCM folks. I'm Vishnu Subramanian. In this course, I'm going to talk about the fundamentals and basics in Oracle Transportation Management Cloud OTM. When you perform a shipment for a sales order, once the shipment leaves the warehouse to the customer, most of the customers don't know the visibility and it's always a hands-off approach. That's where OTM comes into picture. OTM Cloud does planning for the shipments, as well as executing the shipments, as well as giving tracking of the shipment at any point of time to your shipper. Okay. And we live in a COVID economy. And it used to be like business to business transaction where companies order products to be shipped to their warehouse, and from the warehouse it's sent to a DC, and then DC to forward stocking locations, or from the DC to the customer directly. But now we are living in a business to customer B2C scenario because of the COVID economy. So the need for a good transportation management system has exaggerated a lot, and that's where OTM Cloud comes into picture. So in this course, I'm going to talk about the fundamentals, basics, and I'll talk about how you can use the concepts and enter into this field of transportation management system so that you can build a long-term career. Okay. Safe harbor statement. The views expressed on this video or post is my own and do not necessarily reflect the views of Oracle. So what are the benefits of taking this course? So throughout the course, I will give you the tips and tricks for setting up OTM Cloud. I'll talk about the basic functionalities or the key capabilities in OTM Cloud, which I want you to remember, so that when you go to work on a project, it'll be easier for you to configure the application. In my opinion, once your concepts are clear, it becomes much easier to configure the system, have a meaningful conversation with your clients so that you can also understand the requirements better. Okay. And I will also talk about what are the differences between OTM on-premise as well as OTM cloud throughout the course. I'll also talk about what is the basic of blockchain and how blockchain can also be used for solving some of the key supply chain management use cases like cold chain management, shipment tracking through OTM Cloud, document tracking with OTM and GTM Cloud, Global Trade Management, GTM Cloud. And cold chain management is where the perishable goods will be shipped from a farmland to a distribution center, from distribution center to a warehouse, and from the warehouse to the customer. Okay. I will also show a live software demo of the latest features in OTM Cloud, which I want you to understand so that when you go on a project, it'll put you in a better spot to handle your project really well. Okay. So this is the agenda for the course. First, I'll talk about show the concepts, key concepts and functionalities. Then I'll talk about the business process flow, which is OTM, how OTM works with Order Management Cloud and WMS Cloud for shipment planning, shipment creation, shipment execution, and tracking. And I will show a live software demo of the business process flow, which I discuss. Then I'll talk about the blockchain use cases, the 3 blockchain use cases which I mentioned earlier. Then I'll show you how you can take the learnings from this course and go for OTM Cloud certification from Oracle. And as well as I will also upload some key documentation so that it will help you in configuring the application. It will help you in doing some integration work. For example, Oracle gives you OIC sample to connect Order Management Cloud, OTM Cloud, and WMS Cloud. I'll tell you how you can use that to make the integration work for you, for your customer's use case or requirements. In the bonus lecture, I'll talk about what are the other courses which I offer on the field of supply chain management. Okay. And this is the process flow which I'm going to use for the demonstration of OTM Cloud. Starts from Order Management Cloud and ends with OTM Cloud. And OTM Cloud does the transportation planning, execution, and tracking. And this is where I talk about how blockchain is not just for Bitcoin, it can be used for supply chain management as well. In my opinion, blockchain is the next big thing in the world like internet. It has the potential to be even more powerful than internet. And especially blockchain can be very, very useful for financial industry as well as supply chain management. So I'll talk about what are the use cases of how shipment tracking, document tracking, and cold chain management can be solved using OTM Cloud and Oracle Blockchain Cloud Service. Okay. I'll also give you a quiz in the course, as well as I will also upload the documentations so that you please go through the documentation and ask any questions through Udemy or through email. I'll be more than happy to answer that for you. And I will also update you with whatever is happening in the transportation management industry. As you all know, the field of supply chain management is very, very popular right now, and it's evolving more because of the COVID-19. So I will tell you exactly what's happening in the industry so that you can be better prepared to position your career to so that your clients requirements is aligns with what you already know about the industry. Okay. I will also upload more videos in my YouTube channel. So please subscribe for those channels to get update on what is happening in the field of supply chain management, what is the latest advancements, and how you want to be abreast of what's happening out there in the market. Thanks for watching. Good luck.